Looky, 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 guys. Look what I got. I just pulled this out of the boat, getting it ready to go. I filled this box back when I was bow hunting. Every time I went out, I took a gallon freezer bag and I would try and pick me pods every time I went out. And I put them in this box and left them in the boat all winter. And look what we got now. All the pods busted open, split open. And we have all this nice milkweed. Now we're just going to pick the seeds off and we're going to plant them. And just pick them off like that. I just take sandwich bags, fill the milkweed in there. That's what I pull. I don't have any coin purses like the hunting public does, although I think I'd like to have one, but this works good for me. I waste quite a bit of it, but it helps break the monotony when you're doing an all-day sit to have milkweed to play with. But I will warn you, watch it when you open. If the air conditioning's going in your house, look out, because they'll just go everywhere. Another fun thing to do is when the sun's coming in a window,